A number of different groups of organisms have evolved horn-like appendages. For example, among the ornithischian dinosaurs, the ceratopsians evolved horns in later members. Among the saurischian dinosaurs, a number of theropods evolved horns. Horns could evolve in a single species in a group which typically lacked horns, such as in this pig. Some organisms alive today may possess horn-like structures, such as the epidermal scales modified to be horn-like in chameleons, for example. But horns are only known in mammals, and specifically true horns are known only in bovids, such as cows, bison, sheep, and goats. True horns are unbranched and possess a bony core to which the integument supplies a keratinized sheath. These horns are not shed annually and can continue to grow throughout life and are typically present in both males and females. Antlers are known only in the family Cervidae. Antlers are defined as being branched, and the number of branches can increase throughout life, with young males possessing only a fork and later males possessing a number of separate points. At first, these bones, as they are growing, are covered by skin, which is non-keratinized and is therefore known as velvet. And this integument supplies the blood and nutrients for the developing bone, which is the fastest growing bone known in vertebrates. Later, under hormonal influence, the skin dies and is shed, the velvet is scratched off, leaving only the bare bone, and this then will break at an abscission zone later in the year, so that these are shed annually. They are typically present only in males, although in some species females may also possess antlers. Giraffes possess structures known as ossicones, which have an unbranched bony core, although this bone is formed from cartilage, which later ossifies and fuses to skull bones. It is covered with living, non-keratinized skin, and is present in both genders, and is not shed annually. Fossil giraffes had a diversity of ossicone shapes. Pronghorns are the last living members of a much more diverse fossil group. They possess a bony core for their horns, which is forked, more so in males than in females. This is covered by a keratin sheath and present in both genders, although smaller in females. The keratin sheath is shed annually, but the bony core is not. Rhino horns do not meet the definition of true horns because they lack a bony core. They are produced only by keratinized integument, and so therefore do not possess any bony elements. They are not shed annually and are present in both genders.